Here we have to solve for x on the given exponential equation. Here we have base y and we have the variable x at the exponent. Okay, so whenever we are trying to solve for the variable that is at the exponent, what we need to do is we have to get the same base on both sides of the equation. Once we get the same base on both sides of the equation, we'll be able to equate the exponents and we can solve for the variable. So here the base is y. On the right side, we have a fraction with denominator 625. Actually, 625 is a power of 5. That is 5 to the 4th power equals to 625. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this 625 as a power of 4. That is 5 to the 4th power. Okay, let me do it in the first step. 5 to the power 3x negative 1 equals to 1 over 5 to the 4th power. Okay, so in a fraction, whenever I move a power from numerator to denominator or denominator to numerator, have to change the sign of the exponent. So if I move this power 5 to the 4th power to the numerator, I have to change the exponent positive 4 to negative 4 and it will be multiplied by the numerator 1. Okay, let me do it. 5 to the power 3x negative 1 equals to, so when I move this term to numerator, so 1 times 5 to the negative 4th power. Since I moved this to numerator, I change the sign of the exponent. Okay, so 5 times 3, 5 to the power 3x negative 1 equals to, so 1 times 5 to the negative 4th power is the same, 5 to the negative 4th power. Okay, here I have two terms are equal with the same base 5. So whenever two terms are equal with the same base, we can equate the exponents. So I'll be getting 3x negative 1 equals to negative 4 if I equate the exponents. Okay, now I have to solve for x in this equation. For that, I'm adding 1 to both sides. When I add 1 to both sides, positive and negative 1 will cancel out. I get 3x on the left side. On the right side, I have when I combine negative 4 and positive 1, it will become negative 3. Okay, so now we have 3x equals to negative 3. To solve for x, I have to divide both sides by 3 to get rid of this 3. So I divide both sides by 3. 3 will cancel out. I get x equals to, so negative 3 over 3 is just 1. I have solved for x in the given equation. The value of x is negative 1.